In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords and metadata in Adobe Bridge. If you work with lots of photos or creative assets, adding consistent metadata and keywords is one of the best ways to keep everything searchable and organized. We'll set up a preset so Bridge can add this information for you automatically, saving time and avoiding manual mistakes. Start by opening Adobe Bridge. Give the app a moment to load your folders and previews. We're going to create a preset, so look toward the bottom left corner of the interface and click New Preset. This opens a panel of options that control what the preset does when you use it. In the preset settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Metadata. It may be collapsed by default, so click on Metadata data to reveal the options inside. This is where we tell Bridge what information to embed into your files whenever this preset runs. Enable Apply Metadata Template. Turning this on ensures Bridge actually includes the metadata you define here. You'll be prompted to enter a name, so give your template a clear, descriptive title. Think about how you'll recognize it later. Something like Portfolio Export Metadata or Event Coverage Keywords makes it easy to pick from a list. Next, select the method. Here's the key difference. Append adds your new metadata and keywords on top of what's already in the file, which is the safer choice if your images already contain camera data, author info, or captions you don't want to lose. Replace Swap's existing metadata with the template's values, which can be useful for cleaning up test files, but use it carefully because it can overwrite fields you might want to keep. If you're unsure, start with append and adjust later if needed. Now enter additional keywords. Type them separated by semicolons like this: landscape, sunset, travel, editorial. Using semicolons helps Bridge recognize each keyword correctly, even if you add multi-word terms. A few quick tips: keep keywords concise, avoid duplicates, and be consistent with capitalization. You can include client, location, or style terms if they're helpful for searching later, and consider a simple vocabulary you'll reuse across projects so your library stays tidy. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your preset is now ready and will appear in your presets list for quick access. From this point on, whenever you use this preset, Bridge will apply the metadata template and add the keywords exactly as you configured them, which means faster workflows and more accurate search results across your catalog. That's it. You've created a reliable way to tag your files with keywords and metadata in Adobe Bridge without repetitive manual entry.